The video going?
Yeah.
Alright, so this tree's covered in cicadas. Now the males are the ones that make the sounds. I'm going to see if I can find one. Okay, that's a female, obviously, because she didn't say anything. When the male... let me see. Let's see. There's one. That was a male. You heard him. Huh?
It just got on my ear and then it flew.
Okay, I scared most of these off just a second.
Come over there. There goes a male. Come to this tree. There's a ton of them on this tree.
All right, let's see. Oh yeah, okay. So a bunch of cicadas over here. Here's one. Let's see. That's a female. Let's see what this one is.
I want them to get on me.
That was a male.
I want them to get on my shirt.
All right, there's a couple over here. Come here, buddy. Don't be scared of it.
Oh, they can't.
Come here, Paul.
No, we got on my ear.
All right, I got one.
Got on my shirt.
Sim?
Daddy.
All right, you want him on your shirt?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. He wants on that little flower right there, okay?
Hey, Daddy, he likes you. I don't think he's going to get off of you.
Yeah, you say that, but...
I don't want him. I only want him on my shirt.
I know, I'm going to try to get him on your shirt.
Allie, hold it out like this.
You need to get your hand over here and put him on your... Here.
Did I do it before? Was he on my shirt before?
Yeah, there you go. Now he's on your shirt.
Now he's my little buddy. I scared him.
There he goes.
Bye.
He flew away.
Okay, now let's go check.
They're fine. All right.
Daddy, I'm on that.
It's amazing.
Look at this little fella.
He doesn't know what. I'm on that.
Go get it.
I'm scared.
Go get that dandelion for her, baby.
And to believe they only come around every 13 years. What's on it?
Nothing. That's just a part of the flower.
Blow it.
I'm going to make a wish. Daddy, and to believe they only come around every 13 years.
I know. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
Ooh, there's a big fat one up there.
I see it.
Ooh.
That one right there flying.
Yeah.
Ooh.
He's a fatty. Some of them are really
Have you
big.
seen any more albinos or just that
No,
one?
That was the only one I've seen.
What's an albino?
Well, what's an albino? It's all white. So it was an all white cicada.